starting the session. Okay, now let's talk about this new page, absolutely, which is reading and speaking. Now, the title is Charles, Prince of Wales. Now, what do you think about the names of the people on the balcony? Do you know the names of these people?
Elizabeth.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
Queen Elizabeth,
Uh-huh.
The
King
second.
Charles,
Uh-huh.
King Charles,
Prince
Diana.
Charles.
Diana.
Uh-huh.
Princess Diana.
Yeah.
Princess Diana.
The first one, amazing.
No, she
and their
died.
son,
Died a long
their
time
son.
ago.
And the sons.
Harry. Harry.
Harry?
And
Uh-huh. Mhm.
and the other one.
Amazing. So is it
the King William.
William? King
Yes.
William. I loved it. Mhm. Now, what about the relationship between them?
King William is the father, and
And Queen Elizabeth
is the mother.
passed away 2 years ago.
Yeah. Yes.
Is the grandmother of William and Harry.
Amazing, amazing.
The father and the mother of Charles, and John, I think, is behind his mother.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is the title of our today's text, which is about the life of a hard-working future king. Before we read the text, let's try to manage and try to discuss exercise number 3, which is saying, what do you think occupies most of his time? We are talking about Charles. Write a number 0 to 5 next to each activity. 0 means not at all, 5 means a lot. Now, what do you think about earning a living?
We only write 0 to and 5.
Uh-huh.
0.
0.
0.
Not at all. 0.
Not at all is 0, yes.
Yes, 0.
0, yeah, exactly.
Not earning.
Kings. Okay, what about hunting?
Hunting, 5.
5. Am I
5
right?
or 4.
Or 4, okay. So 4 or 5. What about entertaining?
3.
3.
3.
Amazing.
Doctor, we write only 0 or 5 or from 0 to 5
From 0 to
as
5.
rating.
And 0 means not at all. 5 means a lot. Okay, Rashid?
Yes.
So maybe 3 is approximately the average. Traveling.
1 or
1.
2.
2. Okay. Skiing.
1.
Only 1.
2.
2.
No,
Okay.
4.
Someone said 2. 4. Okay. Let me say 4. Now, what about performing royal duties?
5.
5.
5. 5.
Okay, completely.
Except Diana.
Why, Ibrahim?
Because she refused. She was not comfortable with the royal duties.
Yeah, exactly. What about being with his family?
1.
Only
4.
1. 4.
1. 4.
Someone said 1 and someone said 4. Okay, I'm going to write your answers down because the next class, when we read the passage, we are going to make sure about this information about the life of a hard-working future king. I think because we don't have time just to read the full passage, absolutely, we are going to complete the next class. The passage, guys, is about 4 parts. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. Part 2, or let me read the title. Part 1 is about a prince or Prince Charles. And the title of part 2 is The Private and Public Man. The title of Paragraph 3 is a dutiful life, and finally, everything except the top job. So we are going to fully read the text the next class, and we will know if the information you selected is correct or maybe no. So if you have any questions before leaving, you can ask me. No questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, so I have to thank you so much for coming, and I have to wish a good night for you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, and
Thank
have a
you.
nice
Bye.
night. Bye-bye.